Welcome to Fast Track Math. Got two equations with two unknowns? Don't panic. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to solve them using the elimination method. So if you have two equations, two variables, for instance, here our system of equations is 2x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 1. The elimination method works by strategically canceling out one variable so we can solve for the other. In step 1, we'll add the equations. So if we add our left side, 2x plus y plus x minus y, and add our right side, 7 plus 1, well, 2x plus x is 3x, y and negative y cancel each other out, and 7 plus 1 equals 8. So we're left with a simple equation, 3x equals 8. We can now solve for x by isolating the variable. Starting with 3x equals 8, if we divide both sides by 3, x is equal to 8/3. So that gives us our first answer. One variable down, one to go. In order to solve for y, we can substitute x into any of the two equations that we started with. So let's say that we pick x minus y equals 1. If we plug in x equals 8/3, this becomes 8/3 minus y equals 1. And then we can solve for y by isolating y on one side. So y will be equal to 8/3 minus 1, which is 5/3. Our final answer is therefore x equals 8/3 and y equals 5/3. So that's it. We successfully used the elimination method to solve a system of equations. But wait, we're not done. We always need to verify our solution to make sure that it is correct. So now, let's plug in x equals 8/3 and y equals 5/3 into both original equations. Our first equation was 2x plus y equals 7. Substituting our values, 2 times 8/3 plus 5/3, is that equal to 7? Well, 2 times 8/3 is 16/3 plus 5/3, that is 21/3, and 21 divided by 3 is indeed equal to 7. So that's perfect. Our second equation, x minus y equals 1. Substituting our values, 8/3 minus 5/3 equals 3/3, which simplifies to 1. So both equations check out perfectly. Our solution is therefore verified and correct. But what if the variables don't cancel right away? That is no problem. You can multiply one or both equations by a number first to make the coefficients match, and then just add or subtract to eliminate a variable. For instance, if my system to solve is 2x plus 3y equals 12 and 3x plus 2y equals 10, I can try multiplying the first equation by 3 and the second equation by -2. Then you can eliminate the x terms, or you could always adjust differently to eliminate the y. Now it's your turn. Try solving this system using elimination. 3x plus 2y equals 12. X minus 2y equals 4. Give it your best shot and comment your answer below. You've got the tools now. Just show what you can do. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.